Do you wish your Google Calendar event notifications reminded you 2 minutes before a meeting? 10 minutes? An hour before? I'm Laura Mae Martin, Google's Productivity Advisor, here to show you how to work your space in Google Workspace. Today, we'll show you how to change your default event notifications in one easy step. In Calendar, go to Settings. Under Settings for My Calendar, click on your calendar name and go to Event Notifications. From there, change to however many minutes is best for you. So there you have it. Change your default event notifications in one easy step. If you have any questions about this tip, leave them in the YouTube comments below. Looking for more tips just like this? Follow Google Workspace on Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn.